one of the key things that we notice is that at the upper tiers, from the anchor point and down to the dealers and sellers where most of our entrepreneurs live, there is really a lack of, and this is an open finance favorite of mine, data portability. So I'm not going to go into data sharing because that gives many bankers and other people the heebie-jeebies. It's not data sharing per se, but data portability, that the person that is in line with the chain has the ability to extract all of his data and voluntarily move it down the chain to financial institutions just so that he can create a financial footprint. Because after you create a financial footprint, that is the beginning of the journey towards credit. And I think that's really one of the challenges that entrepreneurs face. Financing, the churn rate for SMEs are quite high, and financing options actually usually at the initial phase start at a angel investor or friends and family. But the moment they breach that after the third year, there's got to be a way for them to quantify all of the transactions that they've done, not necessarily in the form of receipts, but most of the time in banking transactions where they do EFTs and all of these transactions with GCash and other platforms. So the big pain point is it's not the cash. Chances are it's going to be how to prove that you manage that cash so that you can now begin to scale. Obviously, this necessarily excludes some of the smaller entities like sari-sari stores, but when we're talking about the smaller ones and the medium ones that have the potential to scale, that's really the bigger pain point. How to transfer your data to the bank or other financial institutions that need to know who you are from a financial perspective.